All right, you guys. So today we're just going to be going over what our test was, all right, for topic 2. So we're going to be looking at some questions and making sure we get these questions right, all right? So let's look at this one. It says Cary Elementary is collecting books for a local book drive. This chart shows the number of books that have been collected so far. How many more books are needed to reach the goal of 7,500 books? Now, we know there's a goal. What is their goal? Good. Their goal is 7,500 books. That's what they want to reach. But in order to reach this goal, we have to first look at all the numbers, right? Look at how much they collected. So how do I figure out how much they collected? Good. We need to add. So we're adding up 2,625 plus 1,537 plus 682. All right. When I add that up, what will I get? Good. You'll get 4,844. Now, the thing is, it says, though, how many more books are needed to reach her goal. This is the goal right here. If this is the goal, how many more books are needed to reach this goal? How do I figure that out? Think and look about what is how much more? What does that mean to do? Good, it means to subtract. So we're subtracting 7,500 minus 4,844. All right, so once I subtract that 7,500 minus 4,844, what will I get as my answer? That's what you're looking at. What would you get? Good, you'll get 2,656. So the key here is always add up what you have first, right? Add up everything you have, and then subtract it from 7,500. That's how you solve those problems, all right? All right, now what we're going to look at is this next question. This question says Jones Fitness Monitor counted 76,924 steps for the week. How she walked a total of 27,698 steps by Tuesday. How many steps she walked the rest of the week? If they're looking for like the rest of something, you know that you're subtracting. So you need to know how to subtract. So if I'm subtracting that from 27,698, because I'm looking for the rest, I can't do 4 minus 8. So you have to borrow from the 2 and make it a what? 1. And then you add a 1 here to the 14. And then you do 14 minus 8. What's 14 minus 8? 6. Can I do 1 minus 9? No. Borrow from the 9, make it an 8, add a 1 here. 11 minus 9 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Can I do 6 minus 7? No. Borrow from the 7, make it a 6. What do I put right here by the 6? Good, a 1. So that's 16 minus 7. Good, 9, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So this should be your answer. That is how you subtract. All right. Now, let's go to our next one. It says, in 2015, there were more students in the 2014, but fewer than in 2016, which could be the answer for 2015. So we're looking for there is more. So what is more than 2014, but less than 2016? What answer could go in between here? It has to be more than 2014, but less than 2016. Nope, it can't be this one because it has to be more than 1,030. Which ones are more than 1,030? Good, this one is, and this one is. All right, so now I have, which one is less than 1,300? Good, so this is my answer. All right, let's look at this one. It says the Carolina Panthers are collecting toys as a service project. Christian McCaffrey brought in 5,389 toys. Shaq bought in 2987. DJ Moore bought in 3412. About means estimate. How many more toys did Christian bring in than DJ Moore? So Christian is 5,389 and DJ Moore is 3,412. Am I even looking at Shaq Thompson? No. So in order to figure that out, we have to about means round. So what does 5,389 round to? Good, 5,000. What does 3,412 round to? Good, 3,000. And how many more means subtract? So we're subtracting 5,000 minus 3,000. Now what is 5,000 minus 3,000? 2,000. Good. Many more. It means subtract. So you're looking at the two people we talked about. Who we talk about? Christian and DJ Moore. And all you're doing is rounding them and subtracting them. All right. And then there is, I want to say that is it. Yep, that is it. All right. So make sure you do this well when you take your test on Thursday. All right.